there was a senior lady standing with me from Indian Air Force. She had come back from US, and she got pretty upset about it, and she said, but the dogs did nothing to you. That's exactly what I said. And if you're going to throw rocks, and if you're going to store sticks, and you're going to kick them and stuff, they're definitely going to get violent, and they're going to attack you. Not because they're violent, but because they want to protect themselves and stuff. And they've got it in their head that आप आ रहे हैं, जा रहे हैं, आप किक कर रहे हैं, थप्पड़ मतलब ऐसे थप्पड़ मार रहे हो उनके सर पे, उनको लाते मार रहे हो. And the servants are passing by, wearing slippers and those pile and stuff. Every time they go wearing a sari, they make it a point to shoo away the dogs and stuff. So the dogs already have the memory in their head that they're going to be hit, so they attack in protection. And they don't even attack, they just growl. And yes, of course, if they're having their khana and stuff and you walk through that area, you don't expect a dog to kind of be friendly with you and stuff. Okay, so in spite of the fact that there's so many awareness sessions that have happened and so many shares have happened and stuff, it keeps happening here. So coming back to the point of social media, so that's the main purpose of this. I was giving you the backgrounder. So after all of this, I decided, okay, there is this certain section of people who don't like dogs, and there's a certain section of people who like dogs. So it is up to me to make up my mind. I live in a high-rise building and stuff, so I'm going to take the dog there. So what did I do? I was not very sure, so I started taking this one guy in my car. I'd already seen the caretakers driving them to a house close by, leaving them there in the night during last year's winters and stuff. So I figured out that the dogs would be comfortable going in a car and stuff. I've always had dogs, so I wanted to have that adventure and a nice time. So I thought it'll be a treat for the dog. So I started taking this one. He's simply lying here and he's soaking up the sun. That's Bruno here, so he's here, and I started taking him. I took him to my house for about a week or so. Every evening, religiously, from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. in the morning, just to see if he's comfortable. The first 2 days he was not, because he was not comfortable. And then gradually he started getting comfortable. He started chilling before the TV with me and everything. He started, getting friendly with my family, the helpers, the servants and everybody. He kind of got acquainted with people coming in, and I think he started getting comfortable. But nevertheless, I would drop him off in the morning over here, and then I kind of would go back. Now, what happened to me was, it kept playing in my head that this is not the right approach, because I take the dog to a house which is a comfortable space of his. He's comfortable. He's getting used to the family. We are treating him. We are kind of pampering him, and we have him before our TV. I take him for a walk and everything in the night, and I come back and everything. So what is it? So basically, I'm at a call where I'm trying to make him comfortable. On the 7th day, I was like, do I want to adopt him or not? So I was like, let me make up my mind. Now, before that, what had happened is the nuances of social media. I think I was taking him through the park, my neighborhood, on a chain. I was trying to train him because I want him to be a normal dog. He's got this thing about improving. He's just 5. He's learning new things, and he's signaling with his chain he wants to go for a walk and everything. So I knew that he's going to pick it up, the lessons and stuff. So I picked up, I started taking him on a leash and stuff. And while I was taking him back in the park, I think some children who had never seen him kind of appeared out of nowhere. And they asked me a few questions. Is this your dog? I said, does it really matter? I gave them the whole background that I bought him up and he was a puppy. And I'm thinking of adopting him and everything. And some college girls were passing by. They thought I was picking him up and I was taking him away. She thought it was a case of animal cruelty or something. I don't know what she did. She messaged somebody or a couple of people saying that this dog is being taken away into this lady's house. At 10:30 in the night, 4-5 guys walked into my house